Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use iTunes gift card for iCloud storage. So first thing that you need to do is just go to the App Store of your iPhone, and once you're in the App Store just click on the profile icon on the upper right corner, and once you're in this profile section just click on redeem gift card or code. You can see these options, so just click on the first one, redeem gift card or codes, and it will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it to load completely and you will see this interface. Once you see this interface just click on use camera, or like you can enter the code manually, so just choose any of it and from here just enter the code that you have on the gift card. Let's say this is my kind of random number on the gift card, so just click on redeem, and once you redeem your gift card, after that what you need to do is just go to the settings of your iPhone, and from settings just go to this option called iCloud, and once you click on iCloud you will see this interface. So from here just click on upgrade to iCloud Plus, and once you click on upgrade to iCloud Plus you will see this interface. Like you can choose like 0.99 per month or $2.993 or $10 for example. So let's say I want to choose 50 GB or 200 GB. So just choose any of it, and from here just click on upgrade to iCloud Plus, and once you click on upgrade to iCloud Plus your gift card balance will be automatically deducted and used for this iCloud storage. As you can see, it is now $3 per month, but if I had redeemed any kind of gift card, so I won't be able to see the $3, but in fact it will be a kind of discount, and from here just you can click on subscribe, and once you click on subscribe you will be able to buy the iCloud storage. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.